This is sad orchid number 2. Totally overgrown. I have a very narrow trowel and I'm just slipping it underneath the roots and trying to release the roots from the pot, and then we will try prying the inner area. It's really tight. So about the only thing you can do is find little openings and then just start pushing down and twisting. This is what you don't want your plants to get like. My husband had to saw out this hunk in order to work with this. This is so pot bound, we really couldn't think of any other solution. And then we will just keep working at it. Not much. I know this is painful for some orchid lovers, but what are you gonna do? If we get a couple of sections that are decent out of it, or just one, a lot of healthy roots, so there is viability. Do have sections where it does have new growth. Of course, we just ripped it, so time will tell if it is hardy enough to withstand that. Now it's time to address this mass. Oh, got some up here too. This is a good example of dead roots. You can see how the outer sheath just rolls right off. This will be cut way back. This piece seems to have the most active root system. It does have some little sprouts coming up. But we are going to cut this ridiculous root system off probably about here. Gonna try to clean this out a little bit more and cut these even more dead. This was a serious mass of what I call crispy roots. They just kind of break and crisp when you touch them. And you can see there are some new roots down in there. But this is all just a total disaster. So I'm going to keep working on this. Bafelco shears actually really are good because you can dig down in the dirt. You can put this piece down in there and then snip. And it's just one big ball of dirt. I ended up blasting this with the hose to get all the dirt and gunk out. You can see these are dead. They just break right off. You see, you can obviously see the new roots and the old gunk. So we are going to keep working on this one. We are left with 4 sections. They're by no means perfect. This one seems to have the most hope. And time will tell if it will recover. This is the trash.